All right, guys, so this is just a little precursor to the video. First and foremost, this video will have pictures of dead animals because we are doing crop protection work tonight. I'm actually heading over to go pick up my partner right now. And that being said, if you don't like crop protection, you don't like animals getting shot, whatever, change the video now. And for those of you who are here for that kind of stuff, or you're here for what's in the title of the video, which is going to be the Night Sight Elite night vision optic, night vision monocular from the company Night Sight. Well, know that we're going to be taking this unit and doing something 100% that the company didn't expect this thing to be used for. So if you're here researching the Night Sight optic, you will get a pretty good review because I'm going to put it through some paces. Like I said, it wasn't designed for it at all. The company's thing is affordable night vision for airsoft and Nerf. This unit does not have any protection against water or recording capability. So that's going to be a little bit of a challenge for me tonight because where we're going on the North Shore, there is a lot of, it rains a lot, and there's a lot of pigs. So it would be really cool to be able to record with this unit. Unfortunately, that's just one of the things that that currently the company does not offer. That being said, we are still going to take it out there. We're going to try our best to get some good footage. I will be utilizing the Elite unit on a helmet mount. So I'm going to be walking around with the monocular down to hopefully be able to spot any pigs that are in a shootable location. And I will also be using a thermal imaging unit to be able to spot the pigs over at a distance, so that way I can actually see how many pigs are out there and roughly the size of it at a greater distance. So hopefully we can catch all of that tonight on camera. Well, it's going to pretty much be only on the thermal imaging camera, and then the rest is just going to be whatever videos I can get with the cell phone unit that we have, and we will be using that to see. Hopefully I can maybe get a couple of videos of, you know, the Night Sight through the camera lens to hopefully be able to show you what it looks like, and hopefully we can get some pigs out of this taro patch. All right, so yeah, that's what we're doing. I'm actually pulling up to my friend's house now. We're gonna get him going, load everything up, head down to the North Shore, and get this, hopefully get some pigs on video. All right, later. This is the Night Sight Elite kit that we'll be using tonight. All right, guys, so today's tools we're gonna be setting up. We have the Ruger 7722 with a bull barrel, and for optic tonight we're going to be running a Demon Seed DWDS69 from our sponsors Vampire Outdoors. Get this on their website, the link will be in the description. For our sighting system, we will also be using a GL4 Pro by Roy V. Vaughn. We're going to have this mounted up probably in this area here with the mount clamp here. So that way we can have a forward button to press to turn on the light. So this lamp system here has visible laser and visible light, as well as IR laser, IR light. So it's a lamp system that has both. Basically it's all four in one unit. So that's what's going to make it nice and compact. And the reason we're going with this on this rifle tonight is because we are going to be running the Night Sight Elite digital night vision optic. So we're going to see if that digital NVG is going to pick up the IR laser on this. So we're going to have all this set up, and I'll show you what that looks like next. Alright, so we're going to be testing out the Night Sight Elite digital night vision goggles tonight. We're gonna see if we can take care of some pigs with this. Oops. And yeah, let's see if we can get a camera, some footage of this going. So right now it is completely dark. Like there's no moonlight at the moment. Moon's supposed to be coming out tonight. It's kicked on the IR. Alright, so it's a night sight. My buddy Jason with me. Alright, we'll be hoping we can spot and shoot a pig tonight. This is absolutely not what the night sight is designed for. It's designed for Nerf and airsoft. But we're gonna take it out and give it a whirl and see. It's definitely not waterproof, and it is definitely not recordable, so I have to do this on my phone. But if we get anything, I'll let you guys know. But anyway, this is IR1, no IR, IR1. I guess there's only one level of IR. Okay, so yeah, so IR and no IR. Anyway, not too bad. Naked eye. You can see that there's some lights up there on the hill. There you go. Night Sight Elite. Thanks for sending it out. Alright guys, so as you can see, we're out here doing some real work with the Night Sight Elite unit here. This is their recruit unit. Came with a helmet, the Rhino mount, and the digital night vision goggles. Unfortunately, this one is not able to record as of yet. Night Sight said that they're going to get this thing to record in the future. And just to let you know, this is not designed for what I'm doing with it. Night Sight was nice enough to send this out to me to test it out in the field. This was designed specifically for indoor use in airsoft and Nerf. But I want to take it out in the field and see if we can use it for some pigs tonight. Again, unfortunately, it won't record. I can't do nothing about that, but I can report that me looking around with it actually is pretty good. It only has one illumination for the IR, at least on my unit it does. So it's either IR on or IR off. And right now we don't have a really good full moonlight, so IR is on. As you can see, it's probably flashing out the light, the camera right now. Anyways, here we go. We're gonna go take it out and see if we can drop us a pig while using the Night Sight Elite. All right. All right, guys. So as you can see here, we got two small pigs here with the Night Sight. Again, unfortunately, this is an unrecordable unit, and as you can see here, we took out two pigs. We are doing crop protection for our taro fields here to prevent the pigs from destroying all of this taro, and that's what we got for tonight. And Night Sight got it done. Like I said, this is 100% designed for Nerf and airsoft and indoor use only. I am completely taking the unit out of the realm of what it was designed for, so just be aware of that. But it works. Yeah, get yourself one today. All right, so we're at the truck. It's the headlights of the truck so we can see the unit and everything. All right, so the question is this worth it? Should you get one? For airsoft and Nerf? Yeah, definitely. Should you buy one specifically for what I just did with it tonight? No, I wouldn't. You know, you can, but that's not what this unit was designed for. The unit was 100% designed to be used for airsoft and Nerf on an indoor plane. I was fortunate enough tonight is a full moon, and there's not a lot of rain tonight. If there was rain, this unit would not work because it's not waterproof. So as you can see there, we just came from the low east. All right, did some crop control work, Night Sight, got it done. All right, laters.